Best ServSafe Manager practice test. Question 1. The correct way to measure CCP stands for is clean control point, critical cooking point, chemical control point, critical control point. CCPs are points where hazards can be prevented or reduced. Question 2. What defines the standard for imminent health hazard? Example: sewage backup, dirty floor, broken light, out of stock. Sewage backup requires immediate closure. Question 3. A health inspector will look for minimum temperature for wash water, manual, to be 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Fahrenheit 43 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius. Manual wash water must be at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 4. What is the main goal of HACCP Principle 3? Verify, monitor, establish critical limits. Correct. Step 3 is setting limits, example, min temp. Question 5. To ensure quality, chlorine sanitizer concentration must follow 10 ppm, 50 to 99 ppm, 500 ppm, 200 ppm. Standard chlorine concentration is 50 to 99 ppm. Question 6. The standard procedure for bimetallic stem thermometer range includes 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This thermometer is useful for checking temps from 0 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 7. When training staff on chemical hazard, emphasize that degreasers, bones, fungi, mold. Cleaning chemicals like degreasers are chemical hazards. Question 8. The safest method for maximum water temp for thawing is 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius. Running water for thawing must be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 9. Why is calibration method, ice point, important in a kitchen? 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. The ice point method involves adjusting the thermometer to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 10. Under ServSafe guidelines, ventilation purposes, heats food, cools food, removes grease/smoke, dries dishes. Ventilation systems remove odors and grease. Question 11. The standard procedure for chemical hazard includes fungi, mold, degreasers, bones. Cleaning chemicals like degreasers are chemical hazards. Question 12. How should a food handler manage HACCP Principle 4? Monitoring procedures, limit, analyze, correct. Step 4 is monitoring the CCPs. Question 13. A violation of thawing in microwave standards occurs when freeze, must be cooked immediately, cool to 41, can be stored. Microwave thawed food must be cooked right away. Question 14. The definition of safe temperature for ground turkey in the FDA Food Code is 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. All ground poultry must be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 15. Which is a key component of raw poultry storage? Top shelf, bottom shelf, middle shelf, above seafood. Raw poultry goes on the bottom shelf to prevent dripping on other foods. Question 16. What is the best practice for calibration method, ice point? 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. The ice point method involves adjusting the thermometer to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 17. Effective management of cross-connection definition requires link between gas and water, link between hot and cold water, link between safe and dirty water, link between two sinks. Cross-connections can lead to backsiphonage. Question 18. Which detail is essential for Vibrio vulnificus? Parasite, bacteria in oysters, toxin, virus. Vibrio is linked to raw or undercooked shellfish. Question 19. In a HACCP plan, coving purpose might be aesthetics, pest control, slip resistance, easy to clean corners. Coving makes floor-to-wall joints easier to clean. Question 20. The primary concern with Campylobacter jejuni is parasite, bacteria in poultry, virus, toxin. Campylobacter is a common cause of diarrhea from poultry.